Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lady P and today we're going to go over how to coupon. So today I'm going to be starting what we are going to be calling our special little coupon class. I will give you guys all of the things that you need to get started in the game of couponing. So if you're feeling confused, um, you're not sure if the deal will work in the store, don't worry, I'm here to help. We're going to start from the beginning, and I will cover everything you need to make your first couponing trip a success and free. So, some things about me. I'm in a small town in Louisiana. I'm gonna say that I'm between New Orleans, Go Saints, and Baton Rouge. Um, I started couponing in late 2018 to try to save money on a daily basis. Couponing for me has been such a blessing. I did not realize how it could help me with my savings, which I needed at the time. And it got me hooked like unexplainable. I love to do it. I looked for great deals, and I'm hoping to share this experience with you all as we go on this journey together. So let's get started. I'm going to walk you through maybe about 5 steps to start couponing, and I want to talk to you uh, about what is couponing. Couponing, in the first place, is a way to save yourself some money. So, what we try to do, we want to go with the lowest price, meaning a sale price or clearance price. And if you have a coupon, you can get that item for a discounted price real low or free. That's what us couponers want. We don't want to overpay. We should basically uh, strive to get that item or merchandise as low as possible. And step number two, what is the goal to couponing? Which is pretty much almost the same in step one, trying to understand what is couponing. Uh, the goal is to buy or get the items for a very low price, or what I like to say, free, free, free. You can do this. You can wait for an item to go on sale and then use your coupon to get it for a cheaper price, and then buy enough of that item till the next time it go on sale, and you can use your coupons to get it at a low price again. It's just a repeating cycle because the sale, whatever sale they have that week, it will go on sale again, uh, maybe in a couple of weeks. Step number three, we want to understand the types of coupons. We have manufacturer coupons, we have store coupons, and I'm going to show you some pictures of what is a store coupon, what is a manufacturer coupon, because they are both different, and you may use both of them to stack a coupon to get that item real low in price or free, free, free. And there's different ways to use those coupons. When you shop at CVS, you may have what is called a CRT, which CVS may say you can get that item uh, for, let's say, it's a roll of paper towels, and you can purchase it for $5 with that CRT. And you may also use a manufacturer coupon, which you may have either gotten out of the newspaper, or you can print your coupons from coupons.com. So you can use that CRT, and you can also use that manufacturer coupon or the printed coupon from coupons.com. That's to get your price down low, which is a great deal to use both of those at the same time. That means you have stacked. So that's a great deal, and your coupon may say $1 or $2 off. So you're getting those paper towels at a real good price. I love to look for those types of deals when I can use that CRT and that manufacturer coupon, and expect, especially if I can get extra bucks back from CVS on that item. If I can get some extra bucks back, that means I've gotten that paper towel deal for a real low price, or free, free, free. On heading to step number 4. I know I might have jumped ahead a little bit. With the coupons, just to explain to some people, um, you get your coupons. Some people pay to have their coupons sent to them. I don't actually do that. Down here in Louisiana, I purchase my newspapers from the store. Now, honestly, different areas have the newspapers different prices. Where I live, the newspaper is $2.50. Some parts of Baton Rouge have the newspapers for $2. At one point, I was lucky enough to catch a Dollar Tree and get the newspaper for $1. But some Dollar Trees do not have those papers available. That's a great savings. And if you are able to purchase it at a Dollar Tree, they may limit you on how many papers you can get. Um, so that's something to think about if you either want to. And then if you have your coupons mail, sometimes you may not receive them until later in the week. And I like to do my couponing sometimes on Sunday to get some great deals. But you can also go on coupons.com and print your coupons out, um, or you can use your phone uh, to do the mobile coupons. Me, I'm more of a paper person, and I like to have all my evidence in my hand so I can present to the store, and I can actually uh, calculate what my to get the lowest price and deals. But it's whatever is your preference. But that is some ways that you can get your coupons. Now, when you get your Sunday newspaper, they will have, depend on your region. Again, depends on your region. You may get the Smart Source. Everyone should get Smart Source. Some regions may or may not get the Retail Me Not, and there's also what is called the P&G. And the P&G, we receive those once a month in the beginning of the month, and those are the coupons for uh, your Tide, Again, some regions may get the tithe, some may not, but there are other coupons in there: toothpaste, shampoo, the Pantene shampoo, um, and mostly for the P&G, they may have a free item, but you can again go to coupons.com to print things. Um, you can go to the store and purchase your newspaper. It depends on your area. Your price may be lower or higher. Not sure. Maybe you all can send me a message. Let me know how you purchase your coupons. Do you purchase your coupons through the mail? Do you go to the store and purchase your coupons, or do you print on off of coupons.com? Because I do print sometimes off of coupons.com if I need to purchase additional items. So, before I move on to step number 5, I just want to touch bases on coupons. When you look at your coupon, please always check your coupon expiration date. Just make sure you're not using the coupon if it has expired. We want to do the right thing. We don't want to get in any trouble. We don't want to do be considered as coupon fraud or anything. But there are some stores that I hear that will take a coupon that expires. I have not found that store yet, but uh, today, if you go in like a Walmart to use a coupon, the register will beep and tell you that that coupon has expired. Um, I mean, I always clean out and check the expiration date on my coupons, and if they are expired, you can send those coupons. Um, I'm not sure the name of the company. I will look that information up and have it posted for you. And you can send your expired coupons to them because they can use them. I just don't use the expired coupons, try to use them in any of the stores. Um, but I just wanted to touch base on that. Always weekly, I go through my coupons to take out all my expired coupons, but make sure you check for the expiration date. So move it on to step 5. You want to find a deal. You want to find a deal that's real simple in the beginning when you first going to start couponing. I will show you a small sale that I did just to show you how to match that coupon and get the best price. Um, you may be scared. Just make sure you hand the cashier any coupons that you may have and just take your time. Don't be scared. I was nervous, I'm not gonna lie, my very first time. But when I realized how low the price was, I was like, oh, I have to do this again. I will start showing you videos of the stores that I do coupon at. I do a lot of shopping at CVS and Walgreens. And also, I will show you when I do my Ibotta hauls. I go to Walmart and do my Ibotta hauls. And sometimes I do my Ibotta deals at CVS or Walgreens if I'm trying to reach a certain bonus. I love my rebate apps. I enjoy Ibotta. I enjoy Checkout 51, and Fetch is also a great app to use. Who that and we that? Are you ready to go do your first deal? If so, send me a message. Let me know, how did it go? Were you nervous? Were you scared? Like the first day of school, you had the jitters. still today, I get a little nervous. Just say a little prayer. Go in the store. Don't be scared. You're looking for that free, free, free. And if you have any questions, just reach out. You want to save that money so we can do other things. I'll be bringing you other videos on other things that I'm trying to do. I love to do money saving challenges. I'll show you some deals with that, what I use to start saving. We have to get ready, ready, ready. Couponing is a great venture for me. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy helping others. If you need any assistance with anything, feel free to send me a message and I'll do my best to answer you as soon as possible. But until the meantime, laissez bon temps rouler.